Hey guys, what's up? This is Anirudh here back with another video. So we all use Instagram and some of my friends even spend 5 or 6 hours on Instagram. So I thought why not share some cool Instagram tips and tricks that you all are going to love. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Okay, the first trick is setting a custom status. Well, this feature was introduced recently and not a lot of people know about this feature. So check this out. It automatically shows that I'm chilling based on my current location. Well, if you want to set a custom status for yourself, then you can't set it up with the Instagram app. You need the Threads from Instagram app, for which the link will be in the description box below. So first install the Threads app and log in. And then select your friends who can view your custom status. You can set it to automatic or select any of the presets or even create your own. Once done, your friends will be able to see your status on Instagram, and your friends don't need to install the Threads app to view your status. Moving on to the second trick. Have you ever felt annoyed because of Instagram not allowing you to view someone's profile picture in full size? Well, here's the solution for it. First, go to instadp.com and then search for the person with their username. Now click on the profile and just click full size. And there you got it, a full size profile picture in HD quality. Okay, so this is something that we have always wanted, the ability to unfollow a lot of people really quickly. So you just need to go to your profile, click on following. Here you will see two new sections called least interacted with and most shown in feed. Well, the first shows the list of people you have interacted least in the last 90 days. You can easily unfollow all the accounts just by clicking the following button. Easy, right? By the way, if you like what you're watching, then do consider subscribing to the channel. That really motivates me to make more content just like this. Coming to the fourth trick, this is one of my favorites from the list, and that is the ability to browse posts while you're on a video call with your friend. You can use this to browse through Instagram posts along with your friend. So you get these three tabs where you can see your liked posts, saved posts and recommended posts. You can click on any one of them and view it along with your friend. Moving on, the next one is not really a trick, but it is a nifty feature that Instagram introduced to remind people to take a break. As I told you at the beginning, some people use Instagram continuously for hours. If you're one among them and want to stop or at least take a break from Instagram, then this is for you. You need to go to your profile, then go to Instagram settings. Now click account and then your activity. This shows your daily average and you can set a daily reminder. So Instagram will send you a reminder once you have reached the time you set for yourself. Okay, so let's face it. We all have that one friend whom we cannot block. But we also don't want to see their messages and don't want others to see their comments on our posts. So Instagram has this restrict feature just for that. To enable this, you need to go to a person's profile, then click the three-dot menu and select restrict. Now this shows a prompt which says that I and only that person can see their comments and their messages will be on my message requests. Sorry Bharat, had to do it. So those were 6 cool Instagram tips and tricks that I just shared with you, and I'll be posting some exclusive tips on my Instagram account, so do follow me there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like what you watched, then do subscribe to the channel for more amazing content just like this. And thanks a lot for watching, and this is Anirudh signing off. Cheers.